quarter.
Pretty good squall line up here in front of us. Seems to be camera getting in focus on this dark cloud line coming from the west, coming east. It looks like maybe going northeast. I'll show you here in just a second. It's a pretty good little squall line starting to show up. Maybe a little thunderstorm here this afternoon. We're just through the woods over there. A little bit here in front of us. These look like they're going to get pretty rough here this afternoon. Actually, all around us, all sides of Charlotte look pretty dark. There it goes. Yeah, here's the thunderstorm I was talking about. Seems to be on all sides of Charlotte, except right on top of us right now. Look at that. Oh, this is crazy stuff.